Welcome to the channel, folks, where this channel and everything we do is dedicated to Jeeping for beginners. My name is Josh, and I will be your host.
So the reason that I created this channel is simple.
Frankly, I was sick and tired of seeing all those comments from people who think they know everything, posting and making fun of new Jeep owners that are actually trying to learn something. Now, if you're one of those guys, this channel is not for you. So if you're new at owning a Jeep, or you've had one for many years and just never used it, then this channel is actually for you. So for the purpose of these videos, we're going to be using my Jeep, which is a 2011 Rubicon. I call it Wanderer. Let's take a look.
We named it Wanderer because we usually spend most of our time wandering the desert. I don't know, seemed fitting.
So you may be thinking to yourself, but Josh, I don't have a JK, so how is this going to apply to me? But you know what? That's okay, because the concepts we're going to cover are pretty much universal amongst any model Jeep that's out there. In addition to that, I do have a handful of friends that drive JLs, TJs, XJs, so we'll get them on the channel too, so we can show you the specifics on your model. So here are some of the topics that we're going to cover.
It's going to be things that every new Jeep owner should know. You know, for example, how to take your doors off, or when and how to air down your tires if you want to take it off-road. Other topics such as when to shift it into four-wheel drive is also important topics. That's what this channel is dedicated to. So I'm going to cover topics like CB or GMRS. Which one is better? Now, are we going to be able to cover every topic that's out there? Eventually, but not right off the bat. We're going to start with some of the basics first. So, what are the basics, you might ask? Well, that's a great question. Can I tow with my Jeep? Where are the tools to swap out my spare tire?
What if I break something?
Other basics like, what does this light on my dash mean? What's the difference between a Sahara or a Rubicon? Is a two-door or a four-door better off-road versus on-road?
Don't worry, we'll cover that too.
So many people get a Jeep for the very first time. I've never used it off-road. We're also going to discuss off-road essentials, what you need to bring with you, and what you should expect the very first time you kick your Jeep into four-wheel drive. There is so much more than that coming at you on Jeeping for beginners. I am not saying by any means that I'm an expert at this, because I'm not. I've only been doing it for 20 years. That's not even a lifetime. But I may have some tips and some pointers that could definitely help you out.
So if this is something that interests you, then all you got to do is hit the subscribe button at the bottom of this video. Hit the little bell icon too, so you can be notified when the new videos come out.
Have you subscribed yet?
So to sum it up, Jeeping for beginners is all about you and your first experience with certain features, certain events, or certain things with your Jeep. So if that sounds interesting to you, then why not subscribe to the channel? Buttons right here below this little video. Also, don't forget to hit that little bell icon. That's the one that's going to let you know when brand new videos come out. I'm going to try to get new content up at least once a week. This way, we always have a topic to talk about. So stay tuned, and we will see you next time. On a side note, folks, if you want to check out some of the adventures that myself and my family have done exploring the Mojave Desert, my channel for that is Yasmar Productions, and I will put a link in the description down below this video. There, we explore ghost towns, old mining operations, and even do some pretty hardcore wheeling from time to time. So we'll see you over there.